Well, I'm here at the volcanic lagoon where you can go swim in the, or go in the hot water here, and that's the changing rooms and everything back there. Well, this is the pool here. So here we got different trails you can follow and little walkways there. And I'm not going to go in the water, so I'm just going to meander around here and look at all the gardens and see the paths and try to get lost here. I got over an hour here, so let's see. I don't know. There's no map here, so I have no idea where these trails take me. But it's very lush here because of the heat from the volcano and the fumaroles and everything, and they're very wet, so you get a little more vegetation. I get some moisture dripping off the trees here on me, so all right. There's all sorts of little water stuff all around here. We got one flowing down here. The water's brownish because it has a lot of I think iron content in it, which they say is good for your skin. That's why the big pool later on. And we have a little lagoon down here. Let's go check that out. Yeah, I'm going to check out this lagoon right here. Yeah, here you can see, oh, I just saw a frog there. Just saw a frog. Did he jump in the water? I don't know where he went. He was right here somewhere, but he's hidden now. All kind of mossy stuff growing here. See all this brown water. Oh, another little waterfall up here. All sorts of little waterfalls. Look at this one here. Yeah. Right in there. Very nice. Oh, waterfall treat. Look at it, all the lush growth inside there. Everything here. You get tired, you want to park yourself on the bench, you're all set there. All right. And yeah, we still got the water flowing all through here. Look at all this. The clouds coming in now. It's getting a little damp. I might have to put my rain jacket on, but I feel a little rain coming down here. We're coming up to a pond here. There's some big fish in there. Yeah. There they are. Look at them there. You can see them. They're pretty good because they think I got food or something, but I don't. They're coming over to greet us here. There's all these guys here. Look at them all down there. Yeah. There you go. It must be doing pretty good in there. The water's warm. And we got a lot of food to eat. There's another guy coming in over here. Coming to join here. They're all coming over here. Okay, another little waterfall there. The building up top. There's Jim up there. So there he is. Okay, I bought some food from the machine. There's a machine over there for €1. You can buy some food. So we're going to sprinkle it in here on these guys. Let's see. See them all come in to eat here. Whoa, they're fighting over the food here. Look at this here. Alright. Yeah. Oh, the big guy coming in here now. Fighting over it. There we go. There's a swarm here now. It's a swarm. Yes, indeed. There we go. These guys are coming in here. Okay, that's all I got. That's all I got there. Oh, there you go. All right. You can buy food right there. Well, this is the other side of the pond. The sun's out a little bit. There's a little rain stuff coming down from the trees. There's some small babies over here. These are all the babies. All the big monsters are over there where I was here. But I'm gonna follow this trail. My friend Jim said there's little things to see up here. So that's where I was earlier, down in that area. More water coming down here. Oh, it goes back here. All right, kind of quiet here and everything. Okay. I hear more people up on the trail up there. Looks like a little grotto over here, so maybe I'll come by here on this here. See what's up here at the grotto. Looks like a low bridge. I got to duck under here up ahead. So that looked like could have been a trail that maybe you could go up there. I'm not doing it. Too dangerous for the kid here. Okay, let me see if I can get underneath of the low-hanging bridge. Well, it's not too low here. It's not too low. I don't have my hard hat on here, but okay, made it under there. Ooh, it's dark in here. What's in here? Ooh, a little dark spot. We got a table in there. Want to have a little powwow or something, or a little round table discussion. And we come out here. Now I gotta watch my step. Still some more fish down in there. Another little waterfall. Fish having a wonderful time. And inside the grotto, all the ferns growing out there. Look at all this rock in here. Hope it doesn't cave in while I'm here. I don't want to touch it too much here, so be careful here. We're caving. I'll be in the news then if there's a cave in. So, all right, let's get back out here. Back out on the trail here. Okay. I'm still walking around all this lush stuff. Everything's labeled for all you botany fans out there. I think I can walk out here too. Yeah, everything's got a label on it, so if you're interested to know what it is, it's look at all this little growth on there. You got there all these little things growing up and the moss on there, whatnot here. Yeah. Yeah, ready to roll here. Kids walking in amongst the trees and everything here, taking it all in. There's the pathway, but they have, looks like people have walked in here, so the kids gotta walk in here. Yeah, why not? Why not? Enjoy it. Be at one with nature here. As we meander through here and we come out, and there's that more water up there. There's always water everywhere you go here. So it's always nice and warm. Gotta watch my step because there's little tree roots and stuff here. Some low passes. Roots can be slippery. And I have to get around some leaves here. And carefully watching my step here. Alright, we're coming out to some bamboo. Alright, little bamboo section here. Kind of nice. Look at all that bamboo in there. Yeah, look at that. Everybody probably touches that spot right there. So the green ones. Bamboo grows very fast, and it's got the right climate and everything here. So yeah, very beautiful here. Come back out looking. There's the big pond up there where you can go in the water, in the hot brown water. All right, coming back out here. We got a little low pass here as we're coming here into the leaves here. Coming down in there. There we go. Coming back out here. Alright. Let's see what's over here. Okay, got a little pathway here. I like this here. I like this. I can meander around here. Let me turn the camera off for a minute because it's slippery here. Well, I figured I'd walk down this wide trail. I don't see any people down there or whatnot. I see some people up there. But here's a little fountain, and it has fish in it too. We got looks like a dead fish there. And let me see if the water is warm. Nope, this is cold water coming out of here. It's not warm, but it's coming out the top. There's fish in there. I don't know how they live or what they eat. Just eat the moss, or maybe they attack that big fish over there. I don't know. Just the dead fish. Yep, and there's another little baby one caught in the drain hole there. So I guess the survival rate isn't all that great, but it's aerated because the water's coming down to get some air in there, and whatever the overflow comes out here. Yeah, well, good luck, fish. See you later. See what else is down here. Another building up there. And there's something. Oh, there's a trail here. Ah, that's where I want to go. Okay. Sign says the Sugar Bowl and zoomorphic sculptures, which I guess are sculptures of animals. And this is the exit back here. So I'm going to take this trail and go up, see what we can see. Okay. Well, this one says it's the bubbling lake. So it's supposed to be bubbling. And I hear water running. There's more water coming in down here. Water going everywhere here. There's a little pond. You can walk out on the stepping stones if you don't want to fall in. Little rain coming down. Every now and then we get a little shower. So let's see what this is. Now the Sugar Bowl is up top. That's where I'm going. Getting a little mist coming down here, but looks like there used to be an old trench, but the water's gotten higher. There's a bridge here. Hopefully not a bridge too far. Old overgrown up there. Yeah, let's go up here a little bit. So looking for the Sugar Bowl. Getting a little wet. Getting a little wet here. Not enough to put the raincoat on yet. That'll make me hot here. You can hear the rain coming down. Well, there's still the sculptures here, and the Sugar Bowl still going up here. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be worth it or not. I think I found one of the zoomorphic sculptures, which is right here. It looks like a gorilla guy or something here. I found one. So there's another one. It looks like a elephant. There's a bear here. There's a little puppy or something down here. Yeah, I found the zoomorphic sculptures. All overgrown here, but yeah, well, here's a big one. There's a dinosaur up here. Look at this. Here's a bear. Looks like Alf. I think I found Alf here. Alf, is that you? Could be Alf. I don't know. He's in there. A couple of them. Yeah. Here's the other ones. I gotta take a picture now too here. I think I found the Sugar Bowl. It's up there, because right in back of us where there's zoomorphic figures, so everybody out of the rain. Well, I'm at the top of that bridge. Kind of stopped rain. I put my rain jacket on, but of course, it stopped a little bit. Still coming down, misty. Yeah, still coming down. Here's the top of that bridge where I took the shot down there earlier, looking under. But a very old bridge here. And it's like half a bridge. It's, I don't know, this is one side, there is no other side. Maybe there used to be and they did something to it here. I don't